So what happens if you have a negative or an exponent that's a 0? So what we're saying is it goes from a to the power of 0. So the base is not 0. The exponent, the little number at the top, is 0. So I'm going to tell you what happened. Why? For some today's sake. So if the exponent is 0, then it is equal to, well, here I'll show you. I'll show you a couple ones. So, for example, when we have a to the power of 2, how many a's do we have in that case? A to the power of 1, we don't write. That's how many a's? Just 1. Okay? So, while all this the letter A, but you also have a coefficient. Do you know what the coefficient is right here? How many a's do you have? Not 3, it's just 1. Sense? If it was 2, you would see a 3. So, yeah, we're going to get there, So here, there's always the coefficient of 1. Now, when you have a to the power of 0, you see the coefficient of 1. The a's, you don't have any a's. No a's. So that means that your answer, when you have a to the power of 0, your answer is... So anytime it's equal, has an exponent of 0, it's equal to 1. Not a, because you don't have any a's. It's the number 1 that it's equal. So, I see on IXL. If it says like w to times w to the power of 3. So when you see w 0, that equals to 1. Not 1 equals to 1. Okay, I'm going to write over it so you can know. So then it's just going to be w times w times w times w. Just that part. So that equals to w it's just a 1. You don't have to write the 1. You could, I guess, if you really wanted to. When we see an a, we don't have to put the 1 in front of it. We know there's a 1, the coefficient is 1 there. 0, you wouldn't have anything at all. And if it was 2, you would... We just simplify that. 1, and when you simplify... When you did the start test, if you wrote this, that would be correct. But when you see the answer choices, you're going to see this. You're not going to see the 1 in front of it because it's simplified. So let me show you another example with this. What if you had... We'll come back to this one. Now, the negative would look like this. A to the negative 1. So the coefficient is still 1. That kind of changes everything a little bit. That means that this is the denominator, so it's actually equal to a as the denominator, and because you still have the 1, it's 1 over.
So that's it.
That is it for the negatives. The negative... No. Let me do another example for okay. So then P is going to be P, And then p to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Yeah, so this is saying p times 1, and you simplify that to be just p. We know it's 1p. You don't have to write the 1 because it's simple.